What's up, everybody? Okay, so if I'm telling you all things Adrienne, then I've got to share this with you. All the crazy, bizarre things that I eat. I'm talking the weirdest combos you've ever heard of, but I think they're delicious. So don't you want to know what they are? Check it out. First up, I've been told that I make the most incredible tuna fish salad, like you guys don't even understand. My tuna fish does not taste fishy, number one, and number two, it's got mad flavor. Are you prepared? Here we go. The key to some bomb tuna fish is what? Mayonnaise. Now you can't just have Miracle Whip. No, it has to be mayonnaise. This is about to create a huge debate in the comments. I already know, but let me know right now in the comments below, are you a Miracle Whip person or are you a mayonnaise person? I'm all about that mayo life. So you see that? Now, you hear that sound? That's the beautiful sound of some bomb tuna fish. Now, the next thing that covers up the fishy taste, good old salt and pepper. This has turned into a cooking episode. Then you're gonna mix that all together, and just when you thought I was done, some fruit punch. So as you can see, I have a problem. I was home one day in high school, I had to make myself an after-school snack. I made myself tuna fish, and I was like, this isn't doing much for my taste buds. Like, I just had really high-end taste buds with a really low-class budget. How do I create something that is just amazing? And this, my friends, is what I created. And no one can tell me that doesn't taste bomb. You either can eat it like this. It needs to be dipped. Oh, baby Jesus. I'm not funny. Who wants to bite? Come on, Kelly. Kelly, come on camera. Just bite right there. I promise you it's good. Don't. You see? You see? Lana, please, Lana, please. Lana, please, I love you.
It's really good.
I told you. People put apples in it. Same concept. I'm just telling you right now, if you have not tried this, I'm not saying walk away from my YouTube show right now, but maybe pause it, get your ingredients together, and watch the rest of this episode with a tuna Hawaiian punch salad sandwich. Can't even think straight, it's so good. The next thing I love to eat is, duh, quesadillas. I know everybody loves a good cheesy quesadilla, don't you? Yes, I know you're nodding your head like, yes, I love it. So I've made one right now and I'm about to show it to you. Guys, I was known for making this growing up. Now, do you see this ooey gooey beautifulness? Yes. But you may also notice something else in there. A banana. I sliced up a banana and placed it inside. As you can see, fresh, hot bananas and cheese inside of my quesadilla. We eat guava and cheese, right? Same combination. I heard that down south people love apple pies with cheese. So the next question I have to ask naturally is, who in here wants to try it? You have to have an open heart and an open mind for this one, okay? That's your spot right there, go for it. Just think of like a sweet, like a maduro, like a sweet plantain.
That's good.
Right? Wait, you have to say you're not lying. Like, I need the people to know that we're being real here.
Pretty good.
This is part of our crew, you guys.
Yeah, sweet and salty.
See, he's part of the ATA fam. And it's bomb. Thank you so much. Thank you for participating. On to the next. Now we've got what some people may consider a little woohoo crazy, which would be, all of us have had the late night cravings where you end up at McDonald's and you're like, can I get some fries? Then you're like, that's not gonna do it. That's not gonna hit the spot the way it should. No, I'm also gonna need a McFlurry. Good old French fries and ice cream. Let me know in the comments below if you've done this combo before, but I've gotta say, this is kind of playing it safe. So personally, I like to take it to the next level, which would be frickles. They are literally seasoned and fried pickles. And they're so good by themselves, but again, they're missing that sweet spot, you know? So what are we gonna add? Black olive brittle and goat cheese. And it is my favorite flavor. Oh my God, it's so good. Yeah, keep your mind open to a cheese plate.
I like the garlic ice cream they have at Sticky Rose, actually.
If you were eating a cheese plate and they had something sweet on it.
The goat cheese is a little hard to get past.
Really?
Yeah, it's not good.
Guys, I love this. Not only do I love, like I could eat this pint by myself. Imagine now you add the frickle to the goat cheese and the olive brittle and you like, hallelujah. Okay, so this one you may be wondering, like, how did you even figure this out? And there is a backstory, which is my mom actually went on a woman's retreat one time with my church, and my dad, my papi lindo, stayed at home with us, and he obviously had to make us dinner. I think that's where I inherited my strange taste buds from. I swear my dad will eat anything and try anything, and he also likes crazy combos, and so does my sister, just not as crazy as quesadillas with mayo and bananas. He made me this combination that I'm about to make you right now, about to show you, which is good old white rice. Every Latino home always has some white rice in it. And I was like, okay, papi, yes, we're gonna do rice and beans tonight. I'm here for it. He was like, okay, the rice is done. Now it's time to add what I thought was gonna be beans. But no, it was peanut butter. And just mix it in there real good. I feel like this now, I've just turned this into like a Thai dish. Ooh. Lana's on a diet. She's not being fun today. And is left? Grab Ray. Ray and Grace. Oh, hello, people. Okay, I want you to try this.
Wait, this is peanut butter and arroz.
But why are you doing
Yes.
that?
No way.
Wait, did you ever have this? So Grace is Ecuadorian like me, and someone tried to tell me this was an Ecuadorian thing.
So we eat tripe with peanut butter.
Okay, so I'm not making this up. That's where my dad got it from. Ecuatoriano. Shout out to all my Ecuadorians. Bible, you have to try it. Come on, don't be like that.
What is it?
It's just peanut butter and rice.
But why would you
You
eat
ever
that?
ate Thai food? You ever been to a Thai restaurant and they have white rice on the side, sticky rice?
Yeah.
And then you had chicken with the peanut sauce, and then it combines on the plate,
Got
and then
it.
you pick it up and it touches and it's bomb.
Yeah.
Same combination.
Yeah,
Give
no,
me
that's
your
not
gum.
it.
Ray, please.
Ray, that's
It's
so
the same
rude.
thing. That's so rude.
You try it then.
This is our culture, damn it.
Okay, we'll try it.
Not
Once you
quite.
guys try
Okay,
it,
we'll
then
go with
I'll
that.
try it. Go ahead. Ew, with the tongue?
It's good.
There's a lot of Skippy on it though.
Ray, please,
actually
for
not
me.
bad.
You love me.
It's actually really good.
And I didn't give you crazy. Sticky rice, peanut.
Get past the
Peanut sauce. Peanut sauce, like Thai.
It's terrible.
Oh, don't say that, Ray. Why? Guys, it's not terrible. I'm like Anthony Bourdain
That's
over here,
terrible.
just trying all kinds of new things.
That's terrible.
I was inspired by Anthony Bourdain,
Adrienne.
traveling the world, eating new things.
That's terrible.
No, it's not. Stop pointing at it like that. Girl, leave. Go.
You give Israel
Take
that?
him. He would eat this. This is good.
Yeah, he'd eat it because he loves it.
It's the love. It's not because he likes it. It's because he loves it.
It's bomb. Moving right along. This next amazing combination that I'm about to share with you is so near and dear to my heart. You guys have no idea how much I love this snack. And when I tell you that it started out when I was a little girl, my mom always had Cheerios in the house. It was my favorite snack until this day. It is my favorite cereal. Everybody knows it. And so I was hungry. I needed a snack and I was getting creative. So I saw that we had Cheerios, but I just didn't want them plain like this. No, I wanted more for my life. So I looked at those Cheerios and I said, you know what I think you'd be great with? Butter. Butter makes everything better. So that's how I created fried Cheerios. Are you ready to see how it's made? Get yourself some butter, get yourself some Cheerios. We're moving to the stove. I don't recommend this for heart health. Although Cheerios are with the Heart Association, this butter is not. So this was me at about 11 years old, I would say, is when I created this. As it's melting, you're gonna ever so slowly add Cheerios. Now, although I would consider this a major hood snack, I'd be sitting in my house here in Bel Air, craving some fried Cheerios. So I will come down here and make this for myself. This is the snack that I eat while I'm watching movies with my husband, catching up on Law & Order SVU marathons. Let that cool just a little bit. I'm a happy girl. Me and my fried Cheerios. So I've shown you some really funny combos of things that I love to eat, but here's the crazier part. Not only do I eat strange things, I eat things strangely. My husband actually says he fell in love with the way I eat things because he'd be like, why are you eating it like that? He says I eat everything in layers. If you give me a croissant, I literally will peel it layer by layer, and I feel the same way about my Kit Kats. How can you just see this and go, I can't do it, I cannot. I can't, it's just, it deserves more attention than that. I'm salivating. You gotta be patient and gentle with your Kit Kat. Give me time. So this is where it gets weird. Now you get a layer. Now I'm going to. And then I'll start with the middle one that doesn't have any chocolate on it. And I'll clean it. Then I'll eat it, little by little. Growing up, I wasn't really allowed to have chocolate. So my mother would take a Kit Kat bar like this and literally give me this one stick. And in my mind, I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna make this thing last forever. I love sitting and eating popcorn like this. Why are you looking at me like that? And so I would sit there with my husband and eat my popcorn like this, but I'd need 2 bowls, or I'd just put it on a napkin on the side, and I would collect what is considered like the puffy part of the popcorn, but I would bite off all the kernel parts. I'd be left with just the puffy part, and I'd leave that aside. That's my prize at the end. We have to specifically label things in my house that I've eaten that are popcorn, because most likely they are half bitten. Like I literally, like it'll end up being like half of it. So there's people that come over and they go to like put their hand in my popcorn, and Lana jumps in like, no, she's weird. She eats her popcorn really strange. You don't want that. My husband doesn't care anymore. He'll eat half of my half-eaten kernels. You know, that's love. My favorite chocolates are these. They are Ferrero Rocher. I actually don't know if that's how you pronounce it, so somebody in the comments below, please let me know if I'm supposed to pronounce this R or not. Once again, it's all about the layers. So, we are going to nibble this entire top part off like so. You gotta be gentle. You gotta be gentle to this little baby right here, very gentle. So you gotta find your angle. Are we gonna speed this up like And there we go. Paciencia y fe. Faith and patience. You see that little hazelnut that's just waiting for me right there? Now, I have my 2 sides. I will eat it like this. Right? The hazelnut's currently in my mouth, the whole please. So imagine being with someone like myself and my husband watching me sit and eat chocolates like this. He's like, you are so strange. But I will never stop being me. There's a message in this, people. This wasn't just for all fun and games. This is about my heart, my soul, who I am, the essence of all things Adrienne. Be you. You can also let this melt in your mouth. It's like communion, but not. You know how they have the wafer? We are left with just a hazelnut. And I'm like, it's just you and me now. What's up? Oh, damn, that would have been so dope if I could have done it. Give yourselves a round of applause. Everybody taste the food today. Well done. Well done. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below what you think about all the crazy things I eat and the crazy ways I eat them. I love you guys. Thank you for not judging me. Comment below and make sure that you what? Subscribe! Love you guys. Mwah.